Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from the Chanel Beauty Boutique at the King of Prussia Mall in Philadelphia, and I came back with quite a few goodies. This year marks 100 years for the Chanel No. 5 fragrance, and Chanel No. 5 is one of my favorite fragrances of all time. It's such a beautiful, floral, yet feminine, yet strong fragrance. I love it so much, and Chanel definitely celebrated 100 years in a very unique way. Today, on the 29th of June, Chanel released a huge collection that combines regular, bland, boring pieces of everyday things, and they embossed Chanel all over them, and they essentially created artistic pieces. Let's just go ahead and unbox these. I just came back and I have not opened these yet. I'm so excited. Even the way they wrapped everything was just so beautiful. Of course, you can purchase these pieces online, but going to the store just gives you a different vibe, and everything is just laid out so beautifully. They even created Chanel No. 5 bags and little stickers, and each sticker would have the location where you purchase the pieces from. For myself, I did purchase it from the Philadelphia Mall, so there's Philadelphia written right on there. Everything is really thought of very well. In the first bag, I purchased, this is probably one of my favorite pieces. When I went online yesterday, when these pieces were first released, when I saw this, I was so excited. This piece is a water bottle. It is a glass Chanel water bottle, and honestly, I was just so excited when I saw this piece. This was the piece that I wanted immediately. I know $75 for a water bottle is absolutely crazy, but Chanel only comes out with these unique pieces every so often, so it definitely is really worth it when they do. I think it's so beautiful, and just being a Chanel fan and a fan of the Chanel No. 5 fragrance, I think this is so worth it. I also love that it has this kind of sleeve all around it, so that if you drop it or anything like that, it will resist breaking as well. So very thoughtful of Chanel for creating this beautiful product, and this is the first piece that I purchased from the Factory 5 collection. All right, so the next piece that I have is the shower gel. Okay, I did purchase two of these, one for myself and one for my mom. Now this is a repackage of the original. They do of course sell the shower gel, however the packaging is so cute. I think it's beautiful. This is a 500 milliliter bottle, so it's quite large. I think it's beautiful, and just putting it in the shower, oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm definitely going to use it tonight. They also release individual tubes of the shower gel. I did go ahead and purchase it as well. I think this is really great for travel. It's just a regular cardboard box. I do wish that they created this as a tin like they did with the soap that they also released, but I do love that they came out with 5 different tubes. This is really so perfect for travel, and it just reminds me of little paint tubes. On to the second bag. Now this has a blue sticker on there. I love how everything is packaged. It's so beautiful. The next product that I purchased that I'm also really excited about, and this is another favorite piece of mine. This is the bath tablet. It is a tin box, so you can reuse this tin once you go through all of the bath tablets. It does come with 10 bath tablets in there, and of course they have the Chanel No. 5 fragrance. I think this is such a beautiful product, and I love that it comes in a very nice tin that is reusable. So once I'm done with all the tablets, I'll probably keep this in my bathroom and hold other things in there, like little cotton pads or something like that. I think this is so beautiful. It's so cute. Let me just open this up for you guys. It opens up like so. Very, very good packaging, and you have all of the tablets in there. You have 10 tablets, and they smell so beautiful. Right when you open up the tin, that Chanel No. 5 fragrance just hits you. This is definitely a must buy, this one and the water bottle. So if you are thinking about what you want to buy out of this collection, I think these two items are a must have. I also purchased the body cream, and again, I bought one for myself and one for my mom. I could not resist these ones. How large the tube is, and I don't think that they have the thicker body cream in the Chanel No. 5. Usually, I think that they only have the lotion. Correct me if I'm wrong, but immediately when I saw this, this is another one of the products that I really wanted to get, and this one is a 150 ml tube of the body cream. I'm just gonna go ahead and try this. I really love a nice rich moisturizer, especially during the winter time. And usually with fragrance type of lotions, they're not as thick, so I don't like them as much. This one, this is really thick and beautiful, so luxurious. Love it. Definitely very moisturizing, and it doesn't have that silicone-y type of feel either. It's very moisturizing. Now, these are all the products that I purchased at the store. Of course, when I got back home, I got thinking about all of the products, and knowing me, if you know me personally, you know that before I buy anything, I always think about it, and I really regretted not purchasing the soap bar with the tin as well as the shimmering gel. I definitely, the shimmering gel, I regretted it, and it was just on my mind, so I did go online and I purchased those two as well. I will insert a video of all of the products for you guys, but those two are definitely the products that I regretted not buying, so I went ahead and just purchased those online before they are all out of stock. These are all limited, so once they're gone forever. So if you guys are interested in any of these products, I really highly recommend that you either go to your local boutique or you go online and get yourself some of these products. Definitely those bath tablets, they're a must, and the water bottle. So the water bottle is so cute. I'm so excited that they released that as well. Something else that I skipped was the little travel size Eau de Toilette spray, and I actually have one of these. Now, I thought it was exactly the same as this one. This is the one that I purchased during the Christmas set, that it came with the perfume as well as this travel spray. Now, the Factory 5 edition is actually much smaller than this one. So if you guys have this and you're wondering what the difference is, the other one is probably half the size of this one over here. So just a thought, if you guys were thinking about it and just wondering if you do have this, I just felt that it wasn't worth it since I already have this one. That's not it, there's more, and the next pieces are the reason why I visited my local boutique. Now, I purchased all of the other pieces, however, they had extra goodies that they added for me, and you can only get these if you go to your boutique store. Now, I'm not sure if they will give you everything, but since I am a regular with Chanel, I did ask for a piece of all of the additional items. I'm so excited for them. So first off, we have a Factory 5 collection poster. Now, these are very limited edition, and every single store that has this collection has a limited edition poster that's for that store. So if I can fly to every single store in the country, I probably would, just to get one of these and collect them. So let's see which one the Philadelphia King of Persia Mall has. Ooh, this is a very good quality poster as well. So this is a green poster, and it has the body lotion on there. So it says Chanel Factory 5 collection, Chanel fragrance and beauty boutique of Persia. Next, we have these little miniature Chanel No. 5 bottles of the Eau de Parfum and the Eau de Toilette. So cute. And actually, Chanel did mail me the Mademoiselle version, so I will go ahead and insert a video of that one as well. These are so cute. I almost feel like I am collecting all of these little miniature versions of the fragrance bottles. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. They have Chanel candles and little cake toppers. Oh my god, these are so cute. So so cute. I don't think I'll ever use these though. I definitely will go ahead and cherish these, and just, it's such a cute collector's item. They also added this secret item for me, so I don't know what's in here, but I'm really excited to find out. Go ahead and open it. Huh. Oh my goodness, this is a little cute bag. It's like kind of like a beach bag. Very cute. You can kind of hold your water bottle in there and go to the beach with it. So cute. This is so thoughtful of them. Oh my goodness, they definitely went big with this collection. That's it for the items that I purchased from the Chanel Factory 5 collection. I love this collection so much. I think it's so worth it. It's such a cute little surprise for all of us Chanel lovers. If you guys want any of these products, make sure you grab them soon because they will get out of stock, and once they do, they will be gone forever. If you guys purchase anything from the collection, or if you are wanting to purchase anything, leave me a comment below and let me know which item you purchased or would like to purchase from this collection. The next few videos will also be Chanel related. I did purchase the 2 new quads that they recently released for the summer season, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.